So let's start with the unboxing. It comes well packed with a foam on top to protect its screen. Once you remove the foam, you see monitor wrapped in a magnetic cover which also acts as its back kickstand. A box containing cables and documentation. In terms of cables, you get one type A to type C cable, two type C cables, one HDMI cable, 11.6-inch 1080p LCD screen. This screen also supports HDR content, so you can view content with wider color ranges. 300 nits of brightness. Its aspect ratio is 16:9, provides a 170-degree wide viewing angles. In terms of its frame, like this frame can handle laptops from 13 inches to 17 inches. Takes just 12 watts of power, so you can easily use your laptop to keep it on. USB 2.0 type A port, which is for data transfer. Then you get an HDMI port. Then you get two type C ports, which are for audio video signals, and for power input you get an LED indicator as well, which is red when it is on, blue when there is a video signal. And you get a 3.5 mm headphone jack port. Then you get track wheel, which is used to control the settings of these LCDs. Both have their own track wheels, so they act independently. And lastly, you get power buttons, which also act as back buttons. Two 2-watt speakers. Total you get 4 speakers as well. If you want to conserve the battery life of your laptop, then you can also provide power using this other type C cable from an external source, and if that power is enough to charge the laptop, then it will also start reverse charging your laptop. You can see that it provides quite a bit of rotation. When you want to see some content in portrait mode or vertical mode, it will show you the content in the vertical mode. Not only that, you can actually also connect this monitor or portable dual monitor to your phone as well. iPhone or Android, both are supported here. So for example, if I connect it to my Samsung Galaxy Ultra series mobile phone, it will actually show the Android operating system inside it in desktop mode. You can also use it with Xbox, PS5, Nintendo Switch, all these devices as well. It has a matte screen, so there are less reflections, which is nice, and it also has a blue light filter for your eye protection. If they have added just a built-in kickstand, even a plastic one or whatever, I would have been happy. It is listed for just $250 on Amazon as of right now, so I think for the price I can't complain other than the kickstand. So if you're out for buying a portable monitor, like dual screen monitor, definitely give this one a try.